All right, this is Rachel, and she brought in her 2-year-old a couple weeks ago, and just give us your experience with what you've experienced here.
Sure, I'm happy to. My baby Kellen just turned 2, and he hasn't slept through the night more than a handful of times in his life. And in fact, up until 18 months, he woke up every 2 hours. And within just a few days of his first adjustment, he started sleeping through the night. And I think in the last few weeks, there's only been 2 nights that he hasn't slept through the night. So we feel like the chiropractic adjustment has really helped him.
Awesome, that's cool. And your kids also are going to come and learn some spinal stuff from us too, so that's exciting.
It is exciting. I think it's really important that they understand how our body works and what they can do to be healthy.
That's great. All right, thank you.
Thank you.